You want voice-controlled lights and automated security. The smart home promise is total control. But what if your DIY wiring job created a fire risk inside your walls? It's a serious possibility. Are your devices constantly dropping connection? You're not alone. Nearly half of users report reliability problems. The cause is often invisible, like a missing neutral wire, a tiny part that most smart switches require. We'll now expose the hidden infrastructure your smart home needs and why professional wiring is the only real solution. So you have outlets and light switches. Why can't they support new smart devices? The answer is simple. Traditional wiring wasn't designed for constant power, data flow, and device integration. It's an outdated foundation. Motorized blinds, automation hubs, advanced lighting. These need their own dedicated circuits to prevent overloads. And relying only on Wi-Fi is a performance bottleneck. For 4K streaming or security, nothing beats a hardwired connection. Even your Wi-Fi improves with wires. Professionals install hardwired access points to eliminate dead zones completely. So we need a better foundation. But what specific mistakes make DIY setups so fragile? It's about the invisible forces at play. Your walls contain high-voltage power lines and low-voltage data lines. To a DIYer, a wire is a wire, but running them together is a huge mistake. The electromagnetic field from power lines creates noise that corrupts data signals, causing devices to malfunction. How do devices like security cameras get power and data? Through Power over Ethernet, a single cable that does both. This requires the correct type of cable and network switch, details that make the difference between working and failing. But what happens when perfectly wired devices can't communicate? We'll show you the software nightmare that can derail the best hardware. Here's a common DIY fail. A new smart switch is installed, but the lights just flicker. The problem: no neutral wire. Your movie night is ruined by buffering. A home with a hardwired connection to the TV streams flawlessly, avoiding Wi-Fi congestion. Your security camera feed drops out at the worst possible moment. This is a classic power and data issue solved by a stable POS system. Flickering lights, buffering video, failing cameras. These are not device failures. They are symptoms of a weak wiring foundation. We asked how devices talk. Many use different protocols like Zigbee or Z-Wave. A pro builds a unified system where they all work together. An even bigger problem can be your home's electrical panel. Older panels were never meant to handle the load of dozens of smart devices. A pro will assess if your panel can handle the demand or if it needs an upgrade to prevent dangerous overloads and system failure. Then there is the law. The National Electrical Code has strict, complex rules. These are not suggestions, they are safety mandates. Violating code can void your homeowner's insurance and create huge problems when you sell. A pro's work is guaranteed compliant. So it's complex and risky. But what about 5 years from now? How do you ensure your smart home isn't obsolete? Trying to save money with DIY is often a false economy. The best time to wire a home is during construction or renovation. A pro can pre-wire for a fraction of the cost of retrofitting, which means tearing open your walls later on. Professionals also install conduits, empty pipes in the walls. This permits easy cable upgrades in the future without any demolition. All of this, the structured wiring, the compliance, the planning, adds up to more than just convenience. It adds real financial value. A properly installed smart home system significantly increases your home's resale value, attracting modern buyers. You're left with two paths: the DIY path, a tangle of wires, constant troubleshooting, and hidden safety risks; or the professional path, a clean system, steadfast reliability, and the peace of mind that your home is safe and future-ready. We began by asking about the fire risk in your walls. A professional installation is the definitive answer to that danger. The smartest device in your home isn't a gadget. It's the professionally installed wiring infrastructure that powers everything. Before you buy another device, make the smartest investment first. Consult a certified installer to build your foundation right.